Hello everyone. In this session, today we are going to perform experiment on RL series circuit. In order to perform experiment on RL series circuit, we basically require two elements. First is resistor and second is inductor. In this case, a lamp load of 100 watt act as a resistor which is connected in series with a suitable value inductor with the use of this common link, and the combination collectively act as RL series load. Similarly, in order to perform experiment on RL series circuit, we require some of the elements and components. First one is auto transformer. This is the single phase auto transformer which is also called as a single phase variac. The main purpose of using single phase variac is to apply variable voltage of suitable value to the RL series circuit. This is the single phase variac whose rating ranges between 0 to 260 volt. Next, in order to measure the voltage applied across RL series circuit, we require 0 to 300 volt AC voltmeter. Then, in order to measure the value of current to be taken by RL series load, we require 0 to 2 ampere AC ammeter. Similarly, the power consumed by RL series circuit is measured with the use of wattmeter, which having specifications of 100 volt, 100 watt and 1 ampere. And last but not the least, to measure the value of voltage across resistor, that is VR, and value of voltage across inductor, that is VL, we are going to use a suitable value multimeter. Now we actually going to perform experiment on RL series circuit. This is the main supply. In order to take first reading, I am going to set the value of input voltage to 190 volt. Here I am slowly varying the voltage knob of single phase variac. It is also called as rotary arm. By varying the voltage, we can set the voltage applied across RL series circuit to a suitable value. I am here going to set the value of input voltage to 190 volt. Here we all can see, for a voltage of 190 volt, the current consumed by RL series circuit is 0.301 ampere, and the power consumed by RL series circuit is 32.5 watt. Now I am going to measure the voltage across resistor and voltage across inductor with the use of this multimeter. Voltage across resistor for 190 volt input voltage supply is 99.0 or 99.1 volt, and the voltage across inductor is 151.1 volt. Now I am going to set the value of voltage to 200 volt in order to take second reading. Therefore, for a voltage of 200 volt, current value is 0.314 ampere and the power consumed by RL series circuit is 36 watt. The voltage across resistor VR for 200 volt input supply is 106.4 volt and voltage across inductor is indicated with the use of this multimeter is 155.8 volt. Then next, now I am going to set the value of voltage, input voltage to 210 volt. Therefore, for a voltage of 210 volt, current is 0.326 ampere and the power consumed by RL series circuit is 40.5 watt. Voltage across resistor is 114.3 volt and the voltage across inductor is 160.6 volt. Now I am going to take the reading for 220 volt input supply. Therefore, for an input supply voltage of 220 volt, current is 0.339 ampere and the power consumed by RL series circuit is 45 watt. Voltage across resistance is 119.9 volt and voltage across inductor is 166.7 volt. Then for a voltage of 230 volt, current is 0.350 ampere and power consumed by RL series circuit is 49 watt. Similarly, the voltage across resistor for input voltage of 230 volt is 130.7 volt and voltage across inductor for 230 volt input supply is 171 volt. Therefore, with the use of these readings, it is very much easy for us to calculate the value of active, reactive and apparent power.